Hello students, welcome back to our second video. In this video we are going to learn different personalities who have their name in Indian literature. In the first part I told you all what is literature and what is Indian literature. Now in this part we are going to learn different personalities of Indian literature. So students, our first personality is Sir Harivansh Rai Bachchan. We have heard his name. Harivansh Rai Bachchan, 27 November 1907 to 18 January 2003, was an Indian poet of Nai Kavita literary movement, that is romantic uprising of early 20th century Hindi literature. So Harivansh Rai Bachchan has given his thoughts, his poets in Hindi literature, and we all know him. He's a famous person. He's dad of Amitabh Bachchan sir, so we all know him. Sir Harivansh Rai Bachchan is best known for his early work in Madhushala, that is the famous poet or the famous literature work. It is a name, Madhushala. He is also the husband of social activist Teja Bachchan, father of Amitabh Bachchan and grandfather of Abhishek Bachchan. In 1976 he received Padma Bhushan for his service to Hindi literature. That means he has received Padma Bhushan award for his service to Hindi literature. Bachchan was fluent in several Hindi languages. He incorporated broadly Hindustani vocabulary written in Devanagari script. You all know Devanagari is the script. It is a art of writing your language, that is your Marathi language or Hindi language. It is written in Devanagari script. While he could not read Persian script, he was fluent by Persian and Urdu poetry. That means he not only knew Hindi language or Devanagari script, but he also knew Persian script, he knew Persian language. The next personality is Girish Karnad. Girish Karnad, 19 May 1939 to 10th June 2019, was an Indian actor, film director and Kannada writer, playwright. That means this famous personality has given his contribution in Kannada, that is Kannada language. Sir Girish Karnad worked in South India and Bollywood. That means he not only has written the work of playwrights in South India but also in Bollywood. He rose as a playwright in 1960, marked the coming of the age of modern Indian playwriting in Kannada. As you all know, Kannada is the language. Our next personality is also a very famous personality, that is Sir Vijay Tendulkar. Sir Vijay Tendulkar, that is 6 January 1929 to 19th May 2008, was a leading Indian playwright. He has given his contribution in television, that is movies, television write, political journalist and social commentary, primarily in Marathi. That means he gave his work. He was famous for his Marathi literature. He gave his contribution to Marathi literature, may it be a movie or television writer, political journalist, etc. Vijay Tendulkar is best known for his plays such as Sannata. Sannata was his famous play y'all can get many images or get about this. Y'all can watch this play on YouTube. So he was best known for his various plays. Some of the plays I have given, that is Sonata, Court, Chalube, etc. Tendulkar has been highly influential dramatist and theatre personality in Maharashtra for over 5 decades. That means he has given his contribution not only in movies but also in theatres in all over Maharashtra. So he is a quite famous personality throughout the state. So students, in this video we learned about the famous personalities who gave their contribution to Indian literature. May it be different in other languages, like Sir Harivansh Rai Bachchan gave his contribution in Hindi literature, Sir Vijay Tendulkar gave his contribution in Marathi literature, and Sir Girish gave his contribution in Kannada literature. But they all come under one literature, they all come together to form Indian literature. So I hope you all understood these famous personalities. I just took the famous 3 in your textbook or in your GK book. You all have many. You all can just go on the net and search. So I hope you all understood this video. In this video we learned about different personalities who gave their contribution in Indian literature. We also learned about what is literature and what is Indian literature. So I hope you all understood this video. Thank you.